Hi, I'm Donna with Donna's Products, and I'd like to thank the company for sending me this shoe shine kit. It is a really nice kit. Not only can you shine your shoes, but it's great for leather, any other products, and I'll show you how we're going to demonstrate this today, not only with shoes, but I have a leather purse that was given to me years ago. My uncle made it for me, and he did a lot of leather work. My husband learned to shine shoes when he was a little boy, and he still has his original shoe shine box. So we're going to use that too. But let's look inside and see what goodies we have. These make nice gifts, really nice gifts. It's a beautiful leather container. You have your brushes. Let's put it up here. You have your brushes. You have 3 different brushes. You have your claws. You have mink oil, the saddle soap, again the mink oil. You have a dark shoe polish. You have the light shoe polish. And then you have a reddish brown shoe polish. So we're going to get started polishing. Okay, so what we're going to do is shine a shoe today. And this is the original shoe box my husband got as a child and learned to shine shoes. He'll use this brush to clean it with. And I'm going to use saddle soap on my purse. My uncle made this for me many years ago, and it's just a piece that I really cherish. So I'm going to use the saddle soap on mine. And here's the saddle soap. And we're going to take the saddle soap and I'm going to clean it really well. And for demonstration purposes, we'll just use just the piece right here. And he's going to use the neutral polish on his. This is really nice. And it comes with the claws to clean it with. Again, this is the neutral polish. And I'm going to go ahead and use the mink oil on my purse. And this makes it really soft. It hasn't had any mink oil in years, so this is going to make it really soft. So there are several ways you can use this on your leather, on your shoes, or leather purses, leather belts. There's just a myriad of ways to use them. And it makes a wonderful gift. I hope you'll give it a try and preserve your shoes and all of your leather work. I'm Donna with Donna's Products.